ओम श्री गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम श्री स्वामी शिवानंद परमहंसायने नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Namaste to everybody. I welcome you all again for our Livia Yoga Life channel. Today I would like to go for the corona based breathing exercises. Means many of us feel that my breath length is not okay, but of course once the lungs are affected, once the lungs are infected by the COVID-19, no other go, you have to undergo the medical assistance. But before that you can improve your immunity power and you can improve the lungs capacity more and more through these exercises. That is the thing I would like to go today. Here it is based on the sitting position asanas. Now I am sitting in the asana called Vajrasan. Vajrasan in the English meaning is the thunderbolt posture. It is a straight. If you sit like this, your backbone is automatically coming straight. Unless you bend your body like this, body will be straight only. This is the only asana suggested in yoga after your food. If you have a heavy food, normally you have to leave 3.5 hours gap to go for yoga practice. Right? After your food, you have to wait for 3.5 hours to keep your stomach little empty. Then it is okay for yoga practice. But this asana, immediately after your biryani, after your heavy meals, after your party, you can sit in this asana for 10 to 15 minutes, provided you must be comfortable with your knee foldings and the ankle foldings. I will turn and show you how your foot should be placed. This is Vajrasan. Right? From the Vajrasan, I would like to take you to the corona based beautiful breathing exercises. Okay? Now I am going to turn back. You can see the foot position. See here. You should not cross like this. This you should not do. Just keep your foot like this and sit like this. This foot is going like this. Don't want to cross your toes. Just you can sit like this comfortably. Place your hip on the heels. But if you have a severe knee pain and ankle pain, you can't sit for long. Then you have to avoid. Right? This is Vajrasan. So once you are comfortable with this position, those who have the severe knee pain, ankle pain and back pain, you can support with the towel or very soft pillows. That is also allowed till you get the practice, right? So you can support your knees with the soft pillows. You can do that. And even if you find very difficult to fold your knee like this, support your back with some pillows. That is very useful for you. Right? Because after sitting like this, you have to keep your hands at back like this. Now both the knees are together and your body is coming forward. See, like this. Breathing normal. Just come down, bend down, bend down, bend down. Okay? Here what happens? You feel the breathing is choking. If your stomach is bigger, if you don't have the flexibility, loose muscles here, you cannot bend forward. You can do this much only. That's also okay. The beginning do like that, then only you can go down. Here, try to keep your breathing normal. After coming down, keep your breathing normal. Even if you find difficult, keep the knees open. Keep the knees open. Then you can place your hands like this. Slowly try to come down and keep your knees on the floor and try to keep your hands like this. Here, within the small gap, the breathing is going and coming out. Be there. Count for 20 counts. Nothing will happen. Relax your mind and be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Release your hands. Take good breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Practice this one only daily, just one time. Or if you are comfortable, go for one more time. See, within a week, your lungs capacity is improved. So whatever we do in yoga, I told you in our previous episodes, that benefits your health. That benefits the health. So through yoga, with the help of these bones and muscles, we have to extract the maximum work of this Annamaya Kosha, that is the physical body, to keep up the health to the higher level. Not only the health, I told you already, the ultimate aim of yoga is Chitta Vriddhi Nirodha. That is culminating the generations of the thoughts in the mind. You must attain the mastering of your mind. Mind must be your slave. Now I am slave for my mind. I can't make my mind as a slave for me. Mind says, do this, don't do this, don't do this. Fight with the person. He is not okay, he is not okay, she is not okay. Just to turn the question about you, am I okay? If you keep the question like that only one time, I have to correct myself. This is yoga. So practice this Vajrasana based Sashankasana front and back daily 2-3 times. You will be enjoying that. So with all this, you can find the beautiful benefits out of our the yoga teachings, right? So if you are more comfortable, you can subscribe and you can share it with others. And if you want to learn more and more things, you can apply for our online courses that we are offering in the website, that is www.livia.in. You can apply on that. So if you like all this, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you so much. I will meet you in the next forthcoming episodes.